It is even better with a job. If you are not having a job, your mind will be distracted. They were precise and tailor-made for myself. So actually, I decided in 2023 that I want to try for civil services.
He was in Germany for the last 10 years. You came from Germany one day ahead of your exams.
Initially, you will have that insecurity when you are only studying maybe 2, 3, 4 hours a day. And when I decided for philosophy, I stumbled upon Avinash Kumar sir's testimonials, after which I joined Enlite. You will restrict yourself to the bare minimum, to the core.
You'll be very much been focused
Yes.
on what only need to be done.
Yeah. So first of all, I accepted that I won't be able to write an answer within the time limit in the initial days. All day thinking about the exam, various materials, and you might get distracted. You have to accept the fact if you have never done any answer writing, it is bound to happen. I didn't make any notes as such. To get a general awareness, if you have a job, then you know that you have to streamline your preparation, have laser focus. If you have your statics on your fingertips, then you can definitely clear prelims.
So how did you manage?
You cannot just reproduce the whole book in your notes. That is not productive. And all you need is consistency.